I'm like, nigga, you don't ask no nigga for no handout, bro.
Who's asking for what?
The 3 GT3.
Outside M340, M340, S580. We got the lime green M4 comp. Intakes, downpipe, stage 2. Nigga got some crazy ass wing bucket seats, baby. You feel me? Don't fuck with him. Don't die to him, man. Bone stock though, bone stock. Those tips are huge, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, one thing about the M4s, and I mean the G80s in general, bro, is that the tips are huge.
Yeah, everything is big.
Everything is big.
Everything is big. Look at the grill.
No, the grill is there. It's like the buck. They call it the buck tooth grill.
Look at us, we look like regular people.
You know, people actually like our grills better. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
That shit grew on me.
But nigga, honestly, I prefer it. I'd still like this one. I still like it.
What happened?
Well, we were
He's talking shit.
showcasing.
He's talking shit.
We're talking about how the G80s
We were talking about how nice the M4 was, man. Come on.
everything is bigger.
Right? What do you got? What do you got done to it? Intakes, downpipes,
Pipes, mid-pipe,
mid-pipe,
PPFs.
full custom exhaust?
No, hell no.
No?
Fuck
Just the
that.
tips?
Just the tips.
Just the tips.
Active Auto Works.
Active Auto Works. Is it tuned on MHD, boot mode?
Not yet.
It's not tuned yet?
I'm waiting for the to fucking bring the femto here.
Oh yeah? Oh, that's right.
Hey, wait, what happened with that? So how are we gonna know if no one's over there if we don't go?
That's what I'm saying.
I got you on there.
Like 940 though, right?
Yeah, 945.
945, they're gonna ride up, but you know they take forever.
I don't know though.
If I had deep pockets, I would big turbo it.
Nigga, me too. Even for my car.
And the wheels.
Nigga. It's still nice though, and it's still a flex to have it like this. Yeah. Even to have it stock is still a flex.
My daytime running light was fucking up.
Why?
Bay optics, bro.
What the fuck?
The one on the right.
I just seen it.
No, it's good now.
Oh, okay.
But
I was about to
yesterday that
say.
shit turned off on me, bro.
Completely?
The light, it just blocked.
Bro, the sensors on my Beamer, you know how they turn off, the lights turn on at nighttime? Mine should just be turning on off alone. I'll be behind the car and I'll see them start turning on and off, on and off, on and off. And my fog light went out.
I don't see no one posting
Probably
shit.
an
Like,
electrical. That was probably an electrical problem.
Yo, some guy yesterday died next to our crib, bro. With a 350Z. I didn't.
What is up, guys? We are at my boy's crib. We're about to roll out, about to go Midtown, get some pictures. We got the M340, my M340, my boy's M340, my boy's S580. We got the C8 Corvette, baby. You feel me? And we got the M4 comp. Yeah, this blue on blue is mad nice. It's nasty.
Nigga, this shit comes off.
It's just nasty, bro.
This shit comes off. Nigga, that's just Alcantara to a sway.
Never.
Yo, we're going to racetrack. I gotta put gas.
He has to put in gas. Let's go. We're going to racetrack.
Gas station stop.
Tell him we're gonna go to racetrack. Real quick.
If any,
Get gas. Get gas?
That nigga needs to get gas anyways too.
tell him just put gas.
Fucking retard.
He said he's gonna meet us there. Oh.
Or you can stay there.
Open the
Come on, my king. This is valet. Nigga, I'm gonna close the door for you.
Nah, my boy put it up in that C63. That shit.
Oh yeah. So boys, we are rolling out to get some pictures at Midtown. We got all the cars out right now. You feel me? C8 Corvette, Stingray, my M340, my boy's M4 comp. We got the S580 dad car over here, you feel me? And we have my other boy's M340. We're gonna go to Midtown, probably go to like 2 spots and shoot a little bit of pictures. So we fixed the suspension noise. We fixed the heat management module. This sucker is ready to go, boys. You feel me? We basically got everything done that we needed to do, except we do need to fix the tip rattle. We did order the tips, so we do have to install them this week, but we fixed the heat management module issue and we fixed the suspension issue. And the suspension, something was loose back there. My boy had to tighten something up, and it hasn't made that same thud noise ever again, thankfully. Well, at least I haven't heard it, so we're in the clear, I guess. It is a little bit wet, so we do have to be careful, but nonetheless though, we're good. No, I'm good. The Lions are geeking out. The Lions are geeking. Huh?
Los rubios le gustan los carros.
Los rubios le gustan los carros. Ya tú sabes, bro. Shit sounds crazy. Bro, that shit's raspy as fuck, but it's nice though. Shit. I think we're waiting on Gio too. On one of our other boys.
I might just slide to the spot, bro, because I don't want shorty.
Probably.
What's up, bro? You gonna let me tap that fuel again?
Oh shit, this nigga.
Let me drive.
I don't want her to be alone. Nah.
Bro, I feel bad. Bro, why did she leave so early?
She thought we were gonna be like.
I feel bad for her now.
I'm gonna go real quick because I don't want her to be alone.
We got had the car for almost like it's about to be like a year and 6
Unless you guys are like dealing right now.
And I told my dad, drive it.
Yo, what the fuck? We put $150?
That was probably like a boat.
Damn.
That was probably like a boat or like a big ass truck.
Damn.
Or probably, yeah. It probably was diesel. Diesel is mad expensive, bro.
Yeah, he can't understand that shit. That shit got blue guts, somebody in P.
Bro, it's blue on blue.
Yeah, that shit's nice.
Yeah, C8's nice. I was looking at him. I don't think I'll ever trade in my shit though. I think I'm gonna pay it off.
Can I take a picture in your whip? I was like, nah, nigga.
In your whip?
He's like, can I take a picture in your whip? I'm like, nah, nigga. I'm like, bro, once you get your own car, you can take a picture, bro. I was on thick, bro. I don't give a fuck.
No, you gotta tell him like that, bro. Oye, marica! ¿Qué dice?
Tell me what this means, bro, since I'm used to new things. Tell me, look, sit on there right quick. What does this mean? Well, that's just been flames, nigga. 500 a day to rent. You're gonna see this.
Hold on.
500 a day, yo, to rent.
Hey, let's run, let's go.
Yo, you got me one tip. We didn't have nothing.
Bro,
That's why that shit broke.
nigga That's probably why. Nigga was like playing with it the whole time.
Nah, let's drive.
We're gonna go hit up a spot in Midtown, and then we're probably gonna go around there too. Take a couple of spots. My boy brought his nice ass camera, so we're gonna get some nice ass pictures and shit. And
Let's drive chilling. I'm tired of waiting.
yeah, don't drive too crazy. Everybody right behind each other.
Nigga, I filled up yesterday, nigga, and I have filled up again.
Nigga, M4 lifestyle, bro.
Nigga, shit chugged out.
Oh.
Okay.
A little bit, I'm not gonna lie, throughout the day and stuff, but now it just started picking up again for real. But it's probably just raining over here. When we get to Midtown, it's probably not raining over there, but it is close by the water and shit, so you never know. My boy Jack got me a water, and I be pissy as hell, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna drive for a little bit over there. It's like 14 minutes away, so chilling. And then I'll pick it back up when we get over there. See you guys in a bit. The city vibes. It's mad wet. Still gotta be careful here. Guy in my C8 my boy in the C8 fucking took off from the stop and started sliding everywhere. Oh man. Whoa-oh.
I hope the cops are not gonna come get us.
I just want to take some pictures. Oh my god. Oh, it's right here? Okay, back. Oh shit, I actually never been over here, to be honest. Oh, dude, I don't even think we can come through there. Oh, but we did anyways. We are here! What is up, boys? Woo! Very tough, boys, very tough. We just got to the spot. We're gonna show up the little lineup right now. It's fucking sick, dude. Straight fucking motion over here, boys. Holy fuck. The lineup is cooling out here, bro. I see nothing but straight motion over here. Straight motion, baby. Oh, hold on. I gotta leave my lights on. Hold on. We got a crazy lineup, bro. And you know what's crazy is that we have the perfect amount of cars.
Yeah, right? I thought we weren't gonna fit.
Dude, yeah, like we got the perfect amount of cars.
I mean, we just need like a bike right there.
Right? We need like a fucking BMW bike right there. Straight chilling, nigga. We need an S1000 right here in the middle. Well, we got kicked out of the other spot for having too much motion. I think there was too much motion going on around here, so they kicked us out of the other spot. This guy was like rev bombing the fuck out of that shit. But shit, we're over here at this other spot. You guys might recognize this. But yeah, we're over here at this spot now. We're gonna probably take a little bit of pictures here too and just chill here for a bit. He told me. We got kicked out for having too much motion.
Too much motion, baby.
Too much motion. Those
You know where to find the
motherfuckers,
motion.
they didn't even know what to do. Are you just gonna park here like this? You own the place?
How many take do you have?
Vargas. Vargas Center. I couldn't use the MST that I had.
Yeah.
Boom gang in this shit. Boom gang in the C8, nigga.
It feels old. It looks.
Shit's nice, bro. We got everything right here. Shit's clean. It is really driver based. Like you see how everything's pointed towards the driver. This shit.
That's my racetrack. I'm always there.
I never go. I want to go, bro.
Yo, those negros know you, bro. They
I don't know. I tell him to get out my face with that bullshit. I looked at him and he's like, bro, you got all of this, but let me get $20. I'm like,
told
nigga,
you
you
that?
don't ask no nigga for no handout, bro.
He was asking me for money?
Yes.
He asked me to take a picture of my car.
Bro, they had. It's dark, but the red and blue compensate a little bit, you know. But it's chilling, bro. You know what I'm saying? Plus here, like. So guys, we ended up leaving that little spot. We took some pictures, whatnot. Ended up getting some, I think mushi, something like that. Some Chinese food over there, like downtown area. We ended up leaving right now. We are heading back to the crib. Yeah, it was a quick little video today, nothing crazy, but we did get some good pictures in, and everybody was having a good time, and we had some nice cars outside tonight, maybe even more some for the next video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this today's video. Gonna try to bring you guys some more content in, and you know, we'll keep it pushing. You know, sometimes I have nothing to really post, so I'm not really posting anything, and you know, it's harder to really think about new ideas or some shit. I don't know. Plus, I got like my real life going on and stuff. I gotta go to work and you know, shit like that. You know, real life shit, man. I mean, shit. Maybe one day this could be my job for real, but definitely I'd have to go a lot harder than I am right now. That's for sure. But nonetheless, though, I appreciate everybody watching, liking, subscribe, everything. You know what I'm saying? Showing mad love, man. You guys are just liking the videos, and I really appreciate that, man. Like I you know, I did this out of just to do it type of thing, you know, just for fun, and I actually ended up getting some viewership off it, and you know, it's nice, bro, to see that people actually really fuck with the content. But thank you guys again. We are 1.2K subscribers. You know what I'm saying, baby? We're doing great. You know, to me, I didn't even think I was gonna get to 1,000 subscribers, but we're here, man. I want to thank you guys, man. If it wasn't for y'all, shit, I wouldn't have it. And man, you never know, maybe I'll have 100K one day. That'll be the goal, maybe even more. You never know, though. I hope you guys do have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for watching the video. Your boy Chavi is out.